What's up, guys? Today we are back out here at the lake. We're gonna do some bass fishing at a spot that I've been to a few times on this channel. The water is really down in the lake, so hopefully that we can still get on some fish and it doesn't really affect the fishing too much, but it might be really hard to find some fish, so let's just give it our best shot. And this video is being filmed on Halloween, so happy Halloween. See you at the water. Alright, guys. I don't know how well. Dang, focus on something. There we go. I don't know how well the fishing's gonna be, because you can see where the water line used to be, right along here. Riley used to fish way back in here, and it used to be 6-7 feet of water just 2 years ago, and he used to catch all the fish. And if you guys have seen my previous videos out here, this used to be full of water. I'm gonna have a hard time getting down to the bank because it's so steep. The camera doesn't do it justice how steep it is. But I know there's smallmouth in here, so we're gonna try and get in here and do some fishing. I got a Ned rig that I'm gonna throw. Hopefully California gets some rain because all my fishing spots are drying up. This is pretty sad. My dad used to tell me stories. He'd come out here with my uncle and my older sister, and they'd slay the trout out here. But there's like no water now. And me and my dad in recent years have been catching bass out here pretty good. Now there's potential to maybe catch a couple, but not too optimistic about this. I have a little Ned rig on, and I put a little rattle in the bottom to make a little bit more noise. I see little minnows, which is a good sign, but I don't know if the bass have moved out of here because of how shallow it is. It is starting to get colder, probably 60s out, so maybe the bass are up in shallow because of the cold weather, but not too hot about this spot, guys. Guess I'm just gonna fish the Ned rig for a little bit and see if we can't get a bite or two. I can see in the water over here, I don't know if the camera can get it, that there's like it's too small, it's like a 8-inch little bass. So it looks like the bass might still be out here. Hopefully we can find one big enough to eat the little 8-inch one that I keep seeing. This was a good little smallie spot. Hopefully we can get on a couple. Got a bunch of weeds. Just weeds, weeds, weeds. We see a big bass, guys. It's like a half pounder. I'm sure the camera won't pick it up, but just saw him cruising. Oh, I'm stuck on the grass. I'm gonna spook him away. It was definitely one big enough to catch on my Ned rig. This is the first time I've ever been over here on this side. I've always been fishing from the bank way over there because you can never get around to this side. But now there's no water, you can get all the way around to this side. That tree might have fish on it. Just don't know how I'm gonna get to it. Well, that sucks. It just broke off, and I had just gotten almost close enough to fish the tree. I was gonna walk a little bit further, and I was gonna start fishing it once I got this off. So now I gotta go all the way back to the other side and retie. All right, guys. Finally made it back to the tree. This time we came more prepared. Brought the scale. Brought my second rod that has a drop shot on it. My pliers. Some drag and drops to go on the drop shot. Well, we're gonna start off throwing the Ned rig. This one doesn't have a rattle in it because I didn't have any more rattles, but we're gonna attack this tree and all this structure that I see in the water. Hopefully get on some fish. But we're gonna try the drop shot now. Drop shot is one of my favorite lures. Or not really lures because it's not a lure. My favorite way to rig a bait. Got to be a bass on this tree somewhere. All right, guys, came back across to the other side, fishing the drop shot, because I'm a believer in the drop shot, and especially for smallmouth. And I know there's smallmouth out here and largemouths, which it really doesn't matter which one I catch. I'm just trying to catch one. But I went at that tree for about an hour with both the drop shot and the Ned rig. Not a single fish on that tree. Well, if there was, I didn't have no luck. All right, guys, long day. Spent a few hours out here. The way the water is, having no water out here, the lake's dry, it's really hard to fish. It's hard to find fish, it's hard to catch fish. I gave it my all. There probably are fish out there to be caught. I'm just not the one to catch them. It's just sad that the lake is as low as it is. Hopefully we can get some rain this winter and next summer picks up. But I got a quote to end off the video, and then we're gonna, I guess, see you guys in the next one after the quote. This quote is a quote that I wrote, and it says, "Be the person younger you always dreamed you would be." So go out there, strive for your goals. Hopefully things turn out. I'll have to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.